If you live in McLean, Virginia, and need vacuum repair, central vacuum repair, appliance repair, including coffee maker repair, vacuum warranty services, or a brand new vacuum cleaner, AceVacuums in Fairfax and AceVacuums in Leesburg are your top destinations for premium vacuum repair services. With our team of certified vacuum repair technicians, we provide same-day vacuum repair when parts are available and ensure your vacuum runs at peak performance. Vacuum repair services from McLean customers. We fix all major brands. If your vacuum is losing suction or the brush roll isn't spinning or the motor has failed, AceVacuums in Fairfax and AceVacuums in Leesburg offer professional vacuum repair services for all major brands. Central vacuum repair and service for McLean customers. Our central vacuum technicians perform central vacuum repair, central vacuum service, and installation. Driving directions from McLean to AceVacuums. 25 minutes from McLean, take 123 south toward Fairfax, merge onto US 50 West. AceVacuums will be on your right. AceVacuums, Leesburg, 20 minutes from McLean. Take Virginia 7 west toward Leesburg, exit onto Fort Evans Road. AceVacuums will be on your left. Our redesigned vacuum repair store layout prioritizes repair efficiency, making drop-offs and pickups quick and seamless. We offer free repair estimates and quick turnaround times. No appointment needed. Walk in anytime during business hours for expert service. Our goal is to make your vacuum repair experience as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Why McLean? Customers trust AceVacuums for repairs. Experienced technicians with years of expertise. Quick turnaround time. Free repair estimates. OEM parts and high-quality aftermarket options. Affordable pricing and warranty on repairs. Trusted local vacuum repair shop. By choosing AceVacuums, you'll enjoy trade-in discounts and extended warranties on repairs. Visit us today and experience the peace of mind that comes with expert care.